There's a lot we can do with content elements, and in this short video, we're going to learn how we can manage them effectively, including how to hide, move, copy, cut, delete, and even recover them. So for our first example, let's take a look at how we can hide content elements so that they're not visible in the front end. So I have a paragraph of text, it's visible in the front end, and I want to hide it. To hide a content element, all I need to do is check the Hide Content Element icon. It then becomes grayed out and is no longer visible in the front end, but I can continue to make changes to it. If I want to enable it again, all I do is check the icon. Next, I want to change the order of my content elements on a given page. Right now, I have 3 content elements, and I want to change the order of the last 2. All I do is drag my content element and place it into the desired location. Next, I want to copy a content element to another page. All I do is select Copy from the context menu, find my new page, and from here, select the Paste icon. It's the same process for moving a content element to another page, but instead of selecting Copy, I instead select Cut. If I want to delete a content element, I simply select the Delete icon. If I delete a content element in error and want to recover it, I'll need to use the recycler. If enabled, the recycler menu will be accessible from the web module on the left-hand side. I select recycler, find the page that had my content element on it, and then I can either recover it or permanently delete it. Thanks for watching, and visit docs.typo3.org to find out more.